Today I am trying Stitch Fix for the first time, and my box was sent, and I've already opened it up, so we are cheating a little here, but that's all right. And inside there is this nice card that explains, that has a note from my stylist, explains some of the ideas she has for what's inside for me. There is, I haven't looked at all the paperwork, so this isn't quite cheating. It explains what to do and what I need to know about Stitch Fix. Has my prepaid envelope for mailing back what I don't want. And the prices of everything that's in the box. So let's see what's inside. Now, when you sign up for Stitch Fix, there is a Sherpa's here to help. So's Harry, so who knows what we might be saying. When you sign up for Stitch Fix, there's a really pretty involved, why can't I think of the word? My brain isn't working today. I have a really bad headache, so excuse me. Profile that you have to fill out that explains what you want, your color preferences, your sizes, and you have places to leave all kinds of instructions for your stylist. And I have to say, the stylist who filled this out for me did a really pretty good job with what she sent. So I've looked in it, but I haven't opened everything up to see what's here. So let's do that together. Now the first thing, looks like we have a blouse. I really like the colors on it. It's very pretty. It is, I know they use a lot of indie designers here, and it says Daniel Rain. This crochet is really nice up by the shoulders. Sherpa, I don't need your help, buddy. And the pattern is right up. Sherpa, the box isn't for you. The pattern is really beautiful. So we'll see when we try it on. The thing is, it doesn't have sleeves, and I do prefer sleeves because I'm always cold, as I keep mentioning. Now, I know when I read the card that she did include a cardigan for me, and that's what we have here. And the color is just amazing. I adore this royal blue color, and I have so many things in my wardrobe that would go with this. It is lighter, so it would be a really two-season cardigan for me. It would be, and it has a hood. Now that's really disappointing because I said specifically that I don't like hoods on things. So as much as I love the color and I was looking forward to seeing this, it's going to go back because I don't like hoods on things. And I know I wrote that in my profile. So that's a bummer. Okay. Next, it looks like we have a long sleeve sweater, but this color is muted. I am not a big fan of the muted. It's nice and soft. Really nice and soft. But, you know, every so often you do want a neutral. So I'll try it on and we'll see. Man, I am bummed about that cardigan. This I know is a skirt. It's a wraparound skirt, which I do love wraparound things. It feels silky, but I'm going to guess it's a poly because... Oh, it's a faux wraparound. Okay. And maxi. I was very specific about wanting maxi skirts because I just don't wear stuff above the knee. In fact, I prefer maxi and midi length. I love the pattern on this. Really love it. It's beautiful. And purple and blue, two of my favorite colors there again. So we'll try this on. This is probably going to be a keeper as long as I can find something in my wardrobe to go with it. But very pretty. And there's a pair of jeans at the bottom. Now, I will admit, I tried these on because I was going to wear them to a party yesterday. And they fit, but they fit just a little too tightly for me. And honestly, if I could get these in the next size up, I would buy them because I really like the wash on them. They're a little different from what I usually wear. They are, and yes, Sherpa has to explore the box. Oops, sorry, wrong way. Sherpa. Judy Blue is the company. And I do wear a size 6. And like I said, they fit. But, you know, I'm getting old now. I'm 59. I don't want my jeans that tight. Mid-rise was perfect because I don't like I don't like low-rise jeans anymore. So I'll put them on and I'll show you. But like I said, I think if they came in the next size up, I would definitely buy them. So, and as you can see with Sherpa, if he fits, he sits, because it's a box. So what else are we going to do? So I'm going to get this stuff tried on, and I'll show it to you at the end. I just have to get the hubby to take pictures of me. And Sherpa will continue to enjoy the box. Right, Sherps? And we'll see what comes next.